Introducing Cisco One Software, a more valuable and flexible way to consume Cisco software. It provides a simpler licensing model, better total cost of ownership, and access to constant innovation. Let's take a look now at the fundamentals of the Cisco One software offering. Cisco One software is comprised of a 3x3 structure. The three architectures are Data Center, WAN, and Access. Within Data Center is divided into networking and compute. And in the Access architecture, we have switching and wireless. In addition, from a software perspective, there is Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security. These three levels of software offerings provide the customer bundled capabilities within each level of software. We will cover this in greater detail when we review the three architectures in subsequent modules. In summary, the 3x3 Cisco One software model is three architectures and three software levels. Customers benefit with this model as we have incorporated many software capabilities in each bundle. They can access and use those capabilities as their business requirements demand. So, what is Cisco One? Cisco One takes what used to be hundreds and hundreds of choices when it came to hardware and software and combines them to make a simple 3x3 option to acquire Cisco software. The result of this simplification makes it easier to buy as well as sell. Cisco One also decouples the software features from the hardware, enabling software license portability and access to ongoing innovation for the life of the software versus the hardware. And finally, licenses are perpetual or subscription-based and have several ELA options to use for procurement. So, in summary, Cisco One software makes it easier to buy and sell, allows portability and innovation, and gives our customers the flexibility of licensing in the way that makes the most sense to them. When we look at Cisco One software from the lifetime perspective, we have three ideal opportunities to sell Cisco One software: at purchase, in deployment, and at refresh. The first is at purchase. There are economies of scale and a lower TCO, and simplified purchasing make this an attractive offer to explore with the customer. The second would be for those customers with Cisco deployed. These customers will need to be sold on the broader feature set, ongoing innovation, and improved management that Cisco One brings. Third, customers at refresh are ideal candidates since TCO, portability, ongoing innovation, etc. can be leveraged at this stage with the customer. Cisco One software really helps us in several areas. One great area is in the deal size increase using Cisco One software. On average, deals will go up by approximately 10 to 15%, and I suppose if you review that with our annual goal increases, Cisco One software may help bridge that gap. With regard to customer relevance, by aligning our software solutions into the business, we will naturally gain relevance in this area. Competitive displacement is an absolute benefit of Cisco One software. Using the bundling effect to create better value using Cisco and displacing a competitor should not be overlooked. And naturally, as our customers utilize more of our software, we will create greater stickiness for Cisco software and hardware with our customers. As customers deploy a broader software suite, our overall business will naturally grow with additional hardware and software. Cisco One software. Cisco One software is a new software offer. You need to sell the business relevance to create the desire for adoption. Have you ever seen a TV commercial and you watched it and you thought, wow, I really need to buy that. I want to buy that thing. And you don't even really know what just happened. You just saw the spot and now you want to buy something. You have the thought, I want to get out there and buy it. What if I could teach you the process we use with Cisco to make customers desire that Cisco One software? And you can apply it to making your customers desire working with you, buying more software from you, attracting more of your ideal customers to you. What if I could give you a few questions and scenarios that you could use as you go to market with Cisco One software? Questions to ask your customers that would help them grow their business and help them attract more customers to their business, helping you help them, thereby helping you sell more software to them. Today, we are creating possibilities by transitioning Cisco hardware and software business from something you are trying to sell to something people want to buy. This module will help you understand the use cases, functionality, and finally, the contents of the Cisco One software suite. Success comes from a foundational understanding of your customer's line of business challenges and desires and their market environment. What your customers really want to know is not just how to cut the bottom line, but to also grow the top line. That's what they really care about. Your job is to ask them questions that make them think differently about their business. You don't have to grow their business for them. You have to ask them the right questions to get them to think about things that they aren't thinking about in their business right now that can make a difference for them. Then you can position Cisco One software features into powerful and relevant solutions that justify its new pricing model. Cisco One software is comprised of the 3x3 stack. The architectures are focused on data center and cloud, WAN, and access, which includes switch and wireless. The infrastructure and base OS are not a part of the Cisco One software offering. Cisco One software adds onto the base OS and infrastructure. That's why it is important that the additional value of the functions added by Cisco One software are conveyed to the customer. Otherwise, the additional cost of Cisco One software above the base OS would not seem justified. The Cisco One software foundation offering provides basic networking, security, and system functions. If your organization needs more advanced software, we offer the Advanced Applications product, which is use case specific and has the possibilities of many business relevant applications. In addition, we offer an Advanced Security product with advanced security capabilities that are delivered on our security appliances for specific use cases per domain. The Advanced Security layer can also be purchased independently. A clear understanding of use cases in general and the capabilities that are provided in each suite of Cisco One software is critical to your sales success. So if we look at a couple of use cases, Foundation for Compute will enable customers to automate their compute infrastructure, allowing customers to deploy, provision, configure, and manage UCS and virtual servers with consistent global compute policies in a quick and easy manner. In addition, Foundation for Compute provides a self-service catalog of infrastructure compute services for end-user consumption, secure data center extension and workload mobility between private and public clouds, and multi-hypervisor virtual machine networking with operational consistency. For rapid and error-free deployment of compute resources to support new business demands, think Cisco One Foundation for Compute. When looking at Enterprise Cloud Suite, use cases would be centered around creating a self-service provisioning and lifecycle management of hybrid-ready private cloud and supporting infrastructure. Features will include a full range of cloud capabilities, infrastructure automation, self-service, application design and development, seamless experience across private and public clouds, and support for a full range of enterprise apps from traditional business apps to next-gen and custom apps. If your client has peaking demands on their integrated infrastructure, seasonal retail, IRS tax fulfillment, movie production, or online schools, think Cisco One Enterprise Cloud Suite. A clear understanding of use cases in general and the capabilities that are provided in each suite of Cisco One software is critical to sales success. If we look at a couple of use cases, Foundation for Networking will enable customers to provide data center network automation, which will allow the customer to deploy Layer 3 routing services, including VXLAN, Hypervisor Independent Virtual Networking, Virtual Device Context, Transport Services, Storage Service for Nexus 5000 and 6000, DC Network and Lifecycle Management. When looking at Converged Data Center Network, this will enable highly secure converged LAN/SAN multi-tenant data center networks. Cisco MPLS Stack, Storage Services for Nexus 7000, Data Center Network Management for SAN, Incremental Virtual Device Context capability. If your customer has a business plan that includes unpredictable growth and extensive reliance on the network for their entire business success. Many existing businesses are looking to break out in new ways, and startups always bear these characteristics. Cisco One software for data center networking. Build a scalable, resilient, and efficient data center network purchase. Cisco One software for data center fabric and/or foundation for networking. Here we can see a couple of business-relevant use cases for Cisco One software. A clear understanding of use cases in general and the capabilities that are provided in each suite of Cisco One software is critical to your sales success. At the foundation level, Cisco One software will allow you to create an intelligent WAN. You can connect your branches and campus over any connection, secure and cost-optimized. All of the software needed to accomplish this, such as intelligent WAN, performance-based routing, application visibility, context and optimization. Complete branch security, ACL, firewall, IDS, IPS, AMP. Network management and energy management are included in one simple bundle. At the advanced application level, Cisco One software allows you to create the next generation branch with integrated voice and video across branch and campus to increase your business's productivity, including voice gateway for PSTN and analog connectivity, session border control for IP PSTN connectivity, survivable remote site telephony, distributed call control for the enterprise branch. Again, in one simple licensing offering. Do not forget you have access to ongoing innovation from the time of purchase of Cisco One software into the future. This means when you see the use of video for customer service and many remote locations that are growing, using dynamic multi-point VPN, you can bring sites up faster. Think IWAN. Think Cisco One Foundation software. Let's look at a couple customer personas that align themselves with Cisco One for Access Wireless. Foundation for Wireless will enable customers to provide business-class wireless access. This includes wireless connectivity optimization technology, network management, energy management, and base identity service. When looking at advanced mobility services, the customers that best fit this profile prioritize the ability to create a customized wireless experience for their customers and employees. Capabilities included in this bundle are detection, content push, analytics, and advanced wireless security and intrusion protection. The advanced mobility option provides business with software that supports innovative and profitable solutions in the area of mobility. Using iPads for ordering, this sushi bar brings mobile technology to the point of sale in its restaurant. Note these are fixed in place and provided by the restaurant. The advanced mobility services from the Cisco One Software Access Wireless Suite enables this restaurant to innovate their service model. Customers can use their own mobile device in a BYOD model. Base identity service and intrusion protection provide confidence and security, and location services can allow new models of customer engagement, like having the customer to place orders and have runners serve them at their table. Let's look at a couple customer personas that align themselves with Cisco One for Access. In organizations where securely managing its users and devices are a primary business requirement, the Foundation Bundle of Cisco One software for access switching. The Foundation Bundle includes network management, energy management, and base identity services. Customers prioritizing scaling and requiring resilient infrastructure for their mission-critical operations align with the Advanced Applications Bundle in Campus Fabric. Included in this bundle are things like policy-based routing, load balancing, policy, VLAN support, and addressing multicast opportunities. For example, in a security-focused organization like NASA, if you saw a lot of Apple MacBook Pros purchased by employees coming into a traditionally PC-based network, and you hear how valuable it is to the customer to offer BYOD migration and still maintain their security. Cisco One Foundation creates a better consumption model to accomplish this ultimately through base identity service. The value proposition increases with the Foundation Suite because NASA also receives the benefits of energy management, which aligns to their corporate green initiative with a significant cost savings over the lifetime. Cisco One software is comprised of many individual or a la carte applications at each level. Here we can see the specific application in each offering. Cisco One software brings the individual items to you in a bundled offering at the Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security level. Success in selling Cisco One software is not about memorizing or, for that matter, selling the individual items themselves. Cisco One software is designed to deliver targeted business value to our customers. Value proposition for customers. Software suites. Logical product bundles to address the most common customer scenarios. Greater value, more features, better together pricing. Reduced complexity single line item for the software suite. Investment protection. Software licenses portable across hardware refresh cycles. Ability to migrate licenses from physical devices to virtual machines. Peace of mind that software investments today will last into the future. Ongoing innovation. Access to newly developed features and products included into software suites. Expansion of software suites through Cisco acquisitions of companies, products. Flexible licensing. Subscription licensing to smoothly distribute customer spend over time. Enterprise agreements offer greater discounts to customers willing to commit. Option to buy perpetual via classic model remains, not taken away. The base OS is not part of Cisco One software, so for any option to work, your customer will need to desire to consume the application offered in the Cisco One software. Good. Your customer must have taken an interest in the specific application or applications that are part of the Cisco One software bundle. Use Cisco One SKUs, bundled, instead of a la carte SKUs. This is a simplified use of Cisco One software. It only captures a small part of the value. More compelling. Position full value created by Cisco One software offering, a full complement of software in each Cisco One software offering, and, in the future, license portability creates additional value at refresh. The Cisco One software that was purchased is portable to the refreshed hardware. The long-term goal. Lead with business relevancy. Position the Cisco One software offering as a tactical part of the customer's business solutions. Use the group synergy of the Cisco One software offering to increase the business velocity of your customer solutions. Ongoing innovation to the customer's Cisco One software offering maintains the business edge needed in today's competitive market. Cisco One does offer a better value on Cisco software, but the compelling driver is the value created by the software. For good, we see the value of a bundled price of Cisco One software versus a la carte pricing. More compelling, get the customer's business solutions to include Cisco One software as a tactical element. Using Cisco One software, your customer can create new revenue sources and new customer experiences for their clients. The value is then a multiplier of the bundle value. It now includes the perceived business value. The Cisco One software value is simple. Single line item for the software suite. Single location to view what license you own and their use. Reduced complexity. Sensible. More features, better together pricing. Portable licenses across hardware refresh cycles, even from physical devices to virtual machines. Access the newest features quickly, greater value. Flexible. Offer greater discounts. Licenses can be deployed where you need them most. Choose between perpetual and subscription licensing to smooth out spending over time. Simplified buying programs. Secure. Software investments today will last into our future. Balance ease of use with the level of security you want, direct or mediated. Use tried and true technologies. Peace of mind. Congratulations! Now you can pitch Cisco One software in every deal. Remember to position Cisco One software early in the deal process. Practically every deal can be a Cisco One software opportunity. Understand and speak specifically to your customers' business outcomes. This will help you increase your deal sizes and create upside opportunities. Mark deals in Salesforce as Cisco One software opportunities. This will give you access to more resources designed to help you close the deal. Take your competitors by surprise. Use Cisco One software suite to change the value proposition from a hardware and software sale to a tool to grow your customer's business. To receive more information, navigate to the other modules included in the Cisco One software training program tracks.